So a common asked question for anybody new to Doncaster motorcycles is, do you have all the diagnostic gear to be able to turn off service lights and obviously do the diagnostics, etc, etc. Yes, we wouldn't be doing modern motorcycles without all this kind of get up. I do appreciate the older bikes where you don't have to plug them in and do all this business, but the reality is just about every single one of them needs it now, and we have got a wonderful system that is updated every couple of months. I think every couple of months, that's when we get the bill anyway, every couple of months, which is eye-watering. But we can definitely turn off your service lights and do any diagnostics on most vehicles. We don't pay for the off-road software or any of the quads, but for any of the road-based stuff, we are definitely the people for you. I best get this phone, Anna. Best get this phone. Doncaster Motorcycles. So shall we carry on now? Now I've done the phone. Oh, also, it's been. Oh, I tell you what. Well, we'll carry this on again in a second. Doncaster Motorcycles. It is indeed. Well, tell you what, can't get a minute for answering this phone. So, where was I? Ah, yes. Oh, hang on a minute. So my door's gone now. Right, bear with me again. So, I was trying to get across the fact that I've been informed that I'm never going to get 1 million followers or 1 million likes because I don't script and I don't polish and edit all my stuff, and I don't use AI in any of my thumbnails or the videos in general. I've no intentions of ever doing that, and we're not actually trying to chase all that. We're just trying to be informative and just get ourselves out there advertising wise and showing what we do. If I had 1 million followers, you've seen how busy we are, how many times the phone rings and how many people come through the door. I don't think I could handle 1 million people coming through this door. We're quite happy with the vast amount that we've got already. So there you go. There you go. So I'm going to turn the service light off on this. I'm going to deal with the MOT that's coming and the other service. This little video is coming to an end, and I thank you for watching. Thanks for listening, and thanks for persevering with me.